In those days, have you ever considered that Indonesian doesn't really like pizza? They don't know pizza, they know martabak.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. No, of course.
There should be a culture issue there.
Of course. When we started Pizza Hut, in fact, you know, we were all saying if they don't like pizza, we better have some chicken on the pizza menu. And that was the backup. We said after 1 year, if it doesn't catch on, we're going to add the chicken to the menu.
You have a plan B there.
We had plan B, you know, strategy. So what we did was we started with the variety of pizzas and add chicken, and we just marketed it to the Indonesian market. And of course, actually, when you say Indonesians don't eat it, pizza was not considered a main course. Yeah. Because don't forget, when you have here the roti keju.
Roti keju.
Yeah. So people like that. So it wasn't the cheese was not new for the people. It was to make pizza a meal. So for lunch or for dinner, that was the hump that we had to go over.
You know, with the case of martabak, you still have to have the rice, right?
Exactly.
Here is the main course, right? Now, when you introduce in the market, is there some resistance, or you have difficulty in those early years?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. It went fairly well. Again, it started with the expat market, right?
Of course.
And the Indonesian who had studied overseas.
That's right. Yeah.
So that's what we started on. As time went by, more and more people started having this salad bar and having like lalap,
yes,
and eating the soup. So we made a really good meal out of that. We adapted. Actually, Pizza Hut was adapted to the Indonesian market.
Is that true?
Never before had there been a Pizza Hut with chili sauce. The chili sauce was developed here.
All right.
Yes. So
in other countries you don't have those?
No, they have chili powder.
Chili powder, huh?
The chili flakes.
Yes.
So we adapted really to the Indonesian market. Our spaghetti sauce was adapted to the Indonesian market. Yeah.
quite unique in a way, yeah?
Yeah, of course, adapting it, yeah.
Now, how do you do branding with pizza? Okay, pizza, anyone who has been overseas knows Pizza Hut. But in Indonesia, it's Pizza Hut. How do you brand it?
No one knew Pizza Hut. No one knew pizza. So when people said pizza, they would say, how is Pizza Hut? So Pizza Hut became the product. I like the Pizza Hut.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Now, how many outlets have you got in those days?
Well, we got up to 42, and then I stayed on and helping them, so it came up to 50 outlets.
That's big.
Yeah, it was quite big.
Yes.
We were many parts of Indonesia. Yeah.
That's right. And now you then eventually you sold off to a big corporation,
right?
Because there's a potential profit to be made.
The family, it was a family business. So the family decided to sell the Pizza Hut, and then it went on from there.
I see. Okay. And then what I follow you is after Pizza Hut, I still see your Dairy Queen. The ice cream.
Dairy Queen, correct. We built that from 1 to 8 outlets.
Yes.
And then we did also the Jollibees from
Jollibees
from the Philippines. We built that, and then there was somebody by. So basically, what we did is develop these businesses and then make them popular.
Yeah.
And then they were taken over by somebody else, an investor that took it to try to take it to the next level.
How do you manage the restaurant? You have a pool of or cadre of people, managerial side, supervisor side. You have to recruit them, or you get them from somewhere?
We have a head office, of course. Our group was known at that time as the Ponderosa Group. Okay. Later we changed it to PT Entertainment because we're in the food business, entertainment. But our head office consists of a training manager, operation manager, development manager, general manager, and from there we train the people. And I think if you look around Indonesia, we were known as the university of Ponderosa Group at that time. In fact, there's probably 10,000 people in the hotel or the food and beverage business that are now working in the hotels and restaurants throughout Indonesia. That had something to do with working for us, started their career with us.
Interesting. We have a short break for a commercial break, and we'll be coming back in a few minutes. Thank you.